Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to make travel map in Google Maps. So, let's dive right in. Open the Google Maps app on your phone or web browser. Tap the menu button, 3 horizontal lines, in the top left corner. Select Saved and then Maps. Click Create Map to get started. In the search bar at the top, type in the name of any city, landmark, or even specific points of interest. This is a quick and easy method. Once it pops up, click Add to Map and it will appear as a pin. Google Maps will help you find exactly what you're looking for, and you can add these locations to your map with a single click. You can mark all the locations that you want to add to your map. Once you're done, click on the Save button. And there you have it. By using this method, you can make a travel map in Google Maps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.